Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to enable fast charging on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you are in hurry and want to change your cell phone battery quickly, so don't need to be worried guys, because the Samsung Galaxy A56 provides a fast charging feature that make it easy for us to charge the cell phone quickly. And how to enable the fast charging feature is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first, now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then now you can scroll down and go to device care menu, and then now you can go to battery, and then now you can scroll down a little bit and then go to charging settings. And so yeah, now you can enable fast charging feature on your cell phone, so that make it easy for us to charge the cell phone quickly. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.